just arrived in the town center of Brampton. So let me give you a small history about Brampton. So Brampton is a small historic market town in Cumbria, near the border with Northumberland. It's known best for its peaceful countryside as well, setting and approximately to Hadrian's Wall, a famous UNESCO World Heritage Site. So this town is close to Hadrian's Wall. It's not far from Hadrian's Wall. From here to Hadrian's Wall, it's very close, guys. So as you can see now, I'm in town center now of Brampton. So we have to be careful with cars. We have a beautiful church here. Welcome to Orders Methodist Church, Brampton. Let me try to be close, guys, so that you can see what's written here. As you can see, guys, this is Borders Methodist Church, Brampton. Very unique church. Right, we go down. On the opposite side, we also have, I think it's a church or something, but it's a bit old. I don't think it's still functioning. But anyways, beautiful structures here. It's a very good weather today. So yeah, let's explore the town, guys. We have bakeries here. We have a spa shop here. Let's try to go further down and see what's there. So the town of Brampton has a charming traditional view with cobbled streets, stone buildings, and marketplace as well. They do have a marketplace. Again, take note, guys, one of its standout landmarks is St. Martin's Church. St. Martin's Church. I think I'm very close to it now. I'm almost there. I think it's that one big one there. St. Martin's Church. It's a well-known church. It's a well-known famous church as well. It was designed by an architect. His name was called Philip Webb. Philip Webb was the architect who actually designed the church. So let's see how the church looks, guys. And the featuring stained glasses were done by Edward Ben Jones. Alright, I think this is the church that's just across the road. Let me try and cross. Look at these stone houses, guys, like they said. Right, so this is the church, guys. Saint Martin's Church. Let me get close so that you can see how the church looks, guys. Look how unique is the church. Everyone, welcome. This is it, guys. St. Martin's Church in Brampton. As you can see, it's a very unique church, big as well. So I'm going further inside the town, guys. A lot of unique buildings. So this is actually the town center. I think you can get anything you need in this small town of Brampton. A lot of takeaways around. They also have a gallery Northwest framing, castle framing. Okay, let me try to get close to the gallery. Just want to see what's happening in the gallery. So this is the gallery, guys. Gallery Northwest and castle framing. They have a lot of stuff inside, as you can see, guys, here. A lot of paintings as well. Beautiful. Alright, we go up. So here I see it's written Howard Arms. Howard Arms. We have cafe, bistro, Mr. Brown's takeaway. This is it here. Howard Arms. Unique places, guys, in Brampton. All right, Cruston's food hall. It's a butchery here. Okay. Beautiful. Brampton medical practice, just here. Look at this clock here. They also have a library, Brampton Library, just here. Beautiful, guys. That's all I can say for now. So guys, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, share and comment, and share your experience if you've ever been here. So it's a bye for now. See you in the other vlog. Bye for now.